Now that you have your supplies, you're going to mark the length of the toilet paper tube, and then you're also going to mark the width of the toilet paper tube, which then you'll put those measurements on your cardstock for the length and the width. After which you have those both marked out, you will then cut that piece out. Once you have that piece cut out, you can see where I have marked the word fold. You want to fold on those lines, which will end up with a triangle. You then place that on the tin foil, shiny side down, and then you cut around the tin foil and then tape the tin foil to the gray paper. Once that's done, you fold it into the triangle, shiny side in, and then you place that inside your toilet paper tube, and that's the beginning of your kaleidoscope. With your colored paper, measure the toilet paper roll again, 11.3 centimeters. Draw a line across the length of the paper, and then cut that piece of paper out. Once you have that cut out, take a piece of tape and tape it to the toilet paper roll, and then wrap the entire length of the paper around the toilet paper roll, and then tape it again. Once you've completed that, you can have fun and decorate the toilet paper roll in any way that you would like. Take the bowl that you previously found and trace around it, creating a circle. Once you've traced around it, remove the bowl and reveal the circle. Then go ahead and cut the circle out. Once you've got the circle cut out, divide it into 4 quadrants that you'll be able to decorate. Once you've done that, start decorating and be creative. Use bold, bright colors and great designs. Then, as you can see, it looks beautiful and you can do anything that you like. Once you've created your designs, carefully take the end of the scissors, use it with an adult supervision, and poke a hole in the center of that circle. Once you've completed that, you might cut your bendy straw and place the bendy part in the center of that circle. And you can fold the bendy part of the straw over this circle, and that is what's going to hold your circle in place as you attach it with 2 pieces of tape to your toilet paper roll. Make sure you cut the other end off so you don't poke yourself in the eye. And there you have your wonderful kaleidoscope. Enjoy all the beautiful colors that you can see. Thank you so much for participating. Have a wonderful day.